So here is how to call with an AI. For this video, we will be using character.ai. Character AI has a call feature which allows you to have a real-time spoken voice conversations with your favorite AI characters. So once you're logged in to character.ai, you can go over to the left panel and click on Create, then choose from any of these options. You can also find many of these options in the Discover section just like this. So as an example, I will choose this one right here, which is fiance. So as you can see, it now tells you the context of this character. And if you go over to the bottom, you will get to see this call fiance option. Just click on it and it will start a call with this character. And as you can see, it's now making the call. The character will then receive your call and you can have a real-time conversation just like you would on any other call. And that's it. That is how to call with an AI.